Hey folks, okay, I'm going to show you around my studio today. You'll see it's really chaotic and messy because when I paint, I just really let her fly, and I'm just really messy. But then, the final result in the paintings, works out. And it's just, my process is very chaotic. Okay, so I'll show you the work I have right now. This one's called Don't Listen to the Mirror, which deals with, say when like a young woman is hypnotized by the media into thinking she should look a certain way. And crow one. Here's a raven one. Here. Easel. See the paint on the easel? Wow. There's a sketch that might become a painting someday. There's one. Sketch on the wall there. That one did become a painting. The sketch was a rough idea. Now this painting was on display at the Black Cat Art Space in Toronto a while back there. That's fun going to Toronto. I've had a couple of shows there. It's cool. There's some sketches. These may become paintings if the flow, is that way. Funky old stereo. I love old stuff. Brushes, paint. My trusty Buddha statue. I painted the face a little bit because I tend to have to paint everything, so. Coffee. So yeah, there we go. So there's the messy studio, and thanks for watching. Bye.